Right. So let me repeat yesterday's class once. Right. How many of you done the installation process? Raise your hands. Right. Very good. So the two commands are working, Java, Java C. So your system is ready now. Your system is ready with the software installation process by yesterday. Let me repeat once for 5 minutes what has been happened in the last class. I said one statement yesterday, no? First 10 minutes, I'll write one FAQ question related to environment variables. Then I'll give the introduction to course again because the last day of the week. So who came bit late yesterday, day before yesterday, or 2 days back who are waiting in the class, I'll give the course introduction once again. I'll show all the classes what has been happened. I'll give offline students, I'll give the admin number to you. So keep a request message for the videos. Tomorrow Sunday is there, no? Anyway, so today evening or tomorrow morning, they'll give the demo videos to you. You can watch it and we can continue with the Monday. That's a plan. Okay, right. Monday, we are writing our first program and running. That's a plan. Okay, right. So meanwhile, yesterday's class is this one. 17th class. If I scroll back here, software versions indirectly, we are concentrating on software versions. Java software available to you from 1995 to 2022 by the product Java 18. So offline students, I'll give an admin number to you. So keep one message in the WhatsApp, don't call it anyway. So request for demo videos, right? Full stack Java by Mr. Venkatesh or Venkatesh sir class 6 p.m. something you keep it. So he'll see the message and he'll attach it. Don't expect immediately reply. So because many messages will come now, slowly he finds the time and adds the recordings to you, demo recordings. Find your time and watch it. Who came late? I'll repeat it anyway, right? Okay. So tomorrow you are having time, no? Sunday, so that you can see it. Once the recordings, what are the recordings available to you? That they will send it, right? Mr. Manoj. So online students, for you, Mr. Sandeep sir is available in the online to you, Sandeep. Mr. Sandeep is available in online for you. Online students, can you hear me? Say yes or no to me. Online students, can you hear me? Yes. So Mr. Sandeep is in the online for you in the chat and he will share the recordings to you. Who newly joined 2 days back or today? So collect the recordings from your Mr. Sandeep so that I'll repeat once today so that you also can watch the recordings once. So that we will be clear by Monday what has been happened. Any doubts in that recordings or notes? Notes will not come now only. Next week by Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll make my total notes soft copy available to you, right? By Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll arrange that total soft copy available to you till now. Got it right? It takes time, but recordings, I'll make you arrangement today and tomorrow morning. Got it right? This is a process. So meanwhile, Java software discussion, we done it. So in that Java software, somewhere you identified JDK. Inside the JDK, we had JRE. So we had short discussion on JDK and JRE. So question always to you in the interview, what is the difference between JDK and JRE? So JDK stands for what now? Java Development Kit. JDK provides how many components to you? 3 components. What are they? Java compiler, Java library. What is the third one now? JVM, I said. So 3 components are available to you: Java compiler, Java library, and JVM. We had a short discussion on each, right? Okay. What Java compiler will do now? Sir, Java compiler will compile source code and generate the bytecode. It is going to compile. Compile means what now? Checking the grammatical mistakes available in your language code. If not, checking the program constructed according to the rules of language or not, and generating one code known as bytecode. That's a theory. Got it right? So Java compiler will compile the source code and generate the bytecode. That's a theory to you. Java library, everybody should read more than once, always. Any doubts are there, you can ask it. When you come, I'll be standing here only. So because my class ends and you are entering, that's all. Okay, right? I'll be standing here, you can ask the doubt, nothing. After the class also, you can ask it. Offline students, you can show the notebook to me, you can ask directly. So online students, you have to keep the message after the class. Only the choice is there for you. So Java library will provide predefined components which are used in application development. Predefined components means already constructed and available to you. Already constructed and available to you. We are calling it as predefined. We take that predefined for the application development from the Java library. Whenever we want to represent Java library, we are using one keyword known as Java, lowercase. Java lowercase represents Java library. Java library will hold what now? Packages. Packages will hold what now? Classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces will hold what now? Variables and methods. Understood now? Just now only. Your batch, one batch went away, no? Just now 6 p.m. batch. That 6 p.m. batch today, they got one clarity. That 6 p.m. That batch number is 132. You are the core Java 133 batch. You are. Today only they got the clarity. Today only they got the clarity. What class holds? What interface holds? What abstract class holds? They got a clarity today. They got that knowledge and they went away. So it takes time. Somebody asked yesterday, sir, define interface. It is not a single definition only. It is one biggest component to be introduced. So using that interface, I created thread today. For them, I demonstrated how to create thread. Using that much of deep concept will be there. It's not about definitions like your graduation college. I am not your graduation trainer. I will show the application, not definition. Definition available in the Google search engine. If I don't write also, the Google search engine, define interface will get or not? No. How to apply that interface. Today that 32 batch, core Java 32. Your batch is 33 number. I started 34 also. Monday I am coming with 35. So my batches will come. Within 10-15 days, one batch will be launched with core. So here I demonstrated what class contains, what interface contains, and so on. Why I'm speaking that point now? Today, you are in the starting stage saying that packages are holding classes and interfaces. You don't know class, you don't know interface. So because still practical not started, no. Still practical. Monday, the class component is coming out. That's the point. Slowly we bring that class component. We start constructing that class component and come. And we construct the interface and come. We construct the abstract class and come. Today I said to them, take this knowledge and go and compare with any language. Go and compare whatever you want to compare. If anybody asked what you learned from Java, show that diagram. I learned how to construct a class. I learned how to construct one interface. Not only construction, Venkatesh sir said how to use them, how to apply them. Difference are getting or not now? Now the introduction is going on in this week one. No, week one means demo week. So some definitions will go on, installations will going on, some models will be introduced. That's all. So still practical part not started. In the theoretical approach, what happened here now? Packages will hold classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces will hold variables and methods. Understood now, right? Now, I want to know some packages available in the library. So I listed for awareness, that also for awareness. Suddenly Venkatesh sir used one word known as package. Sir, what is this package? At least say one example to us, means I written a list. What core Java packages are, what advanced Java packages are, I listed. That's all. So we are going to explain them. I am a core Java trainer at present, it's my responsibility to train first 4 packages. I'll give a complete information to you. In that, dot represents what now? Dot represents what now? Belongs to. So java.lang says that lang belongs to Java library. Like this, I given some specification about your library. Then I took JVM. JVM stands for what now? Java Virtual Machine. The duty of JVM is to execute bytecode. How it executes bytecode? Monday is coming. Monday first program, execution. How it is executed, we show on the JVM. So JVM internal will come out. Okay, right. For today, we are ending the week now. For today, JVM has how many parts now? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? Class loader subsystem, runtime data area, and execution engine. Somebody asked me yesterday, sir, can you repeat that statement to me? I'm repeating. Class loader subsystem will load the class for execution. Whenever you loaded the class, somewhere it should be stored. That is runtime data area where that class is stored. It has to be executed, no? Execution engine will execute it. The 3 parts are available. I not made any theoretical presentation about that 3. Just I introduced the parts. Got it right? Finally, I made a statement. Virtual machine means what? Virtual represents which do not exist or appears to be existing. We call it as virtual. The best example to represent virtual is virtual images. Nothing but mirror images. The image appear in the mirror is not real. It appears to be real or not now. Virtual machine. The machine is not real machine, but appears to be running like a machine. We call it as a virtual machine. It is not a hardware machine. It is a software machine. The program which internally having the behavior like machine, we call it as a virtual machine. Clear that? Right, okay. Sir, what is this JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. This JRE will hold Java library plus JVM. These 2 together we call it as execution environment or runtime environment. Where is this JRE? JRE is part of JDK. Understood the statement now? So the same diagram I presented it to you. These all diagrams what I drawn in the week 1. I'll prepare the notes and I'll show to you very clearly. I'll keep them in the order, whatever I drawn. So this is the JDK. This is the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Inside the JDK, we had JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Whenever the JDK introduction has been done, the student should install the product. Okay, right? Student, you should install the product. Whenever you want to install the product, I asked you to download JDK from Oracle website. Got it right. Why Oracle website specifically you written means Oracle Corporation is the vendor company of our product. The reason, which means the product coming from Oracle Corporation. You have to download from Oracle website. So, sir, which product? I said 18 to you. Somebody asked me yesterday, sir, I had 8 product. Can I continue? Means continue. Nothing wrong. Sir, I had 17 product with me. Can I continue? Continue it. Sir, I had 11 product with me. Can I continue? Now don't remove it. Just work it. When the situation comes, I'll ask you to change it. Then you change it. For now, don't touch it. Use it and go forward. So here, these are the points yesterday. Hope you understood, I think. There are 2 commands available to you. What is Java C? One is Java. All of it clear, right? Yesterday, somebody asked me a question. Sir, already in my system, Java software is there with me. How can I know which version it is? Whether the Java version is 8 or 11 or 12 or which version is there, I want to know, sir. Got this point or not now? Then whenever you want to know the version, see there, open command prompt. Whenever you want to know the version available in your system, or lab is there, now 5th floor lab will be there, right? So morning around 8:30, they'll open the lab and they'll close by 6:30, I think. So morning to 6:30 onwards, the lab will be opened. Programmers will be there. You can sit in the lab. Who don't have that flexibility of practicing at home, you can sit in the lab, no issue. You can go to the lab and sit it. When you go to the lab, you can carry your own laptops and you can sit there. If not, they'll give some systems available for you. Okay, right? If they given a system to you, you must know what version is available. For that, open command prompt. Open command prompt. After opening the command prompt, type like this, Java. You type Java. I'll increase the font 2 minutes. Java hyphen version like this. Java version. You can type it. Press enter. You can see now, right? My system is having which version now? 17 version. Like this, you can see the version. I am writing the statement down. You can read it and you can check it. Which version is available? Sir, I am using the laptop of my brother or sister. Already he is using Java. I don't know which version means. You type that command and check it. You can see the versions. When you go for any company to write a test examinations, they'll give one system to you. You must know the version also, know what it available to you. Okay, right. Now, note. Use the following command. Use the following command in command prompt. Command prompt to check Java version. Use the following command in command prompt to check Java version. So open command prompt and type it, Java hyphen version. You can type it. Java space version, you can type it. Right. So one more question I observed yesterday. Many people asked me, VS Code, IntelliJ, Eclipse, NetBeans, some names they are saying to me, right? So they are all environments to write the program. You don't concentrate on them. So many people asked me, VS Code is there, can I use it as an art? Some Eclipse is there. They are all environments, right? They are all environments to create your program. Got it right? Don't see that names. You are sitting in a live class. The first program I'll write with a notepad. plain black and white notepad I will write. Understood now? After that, for 1 week, I'll use Edit Plus. Understood now? I'll use one Edit Plus, I'll use it for 1 week. After that, I'll train Eclipse to you. Got the point? Right. Total programs we train in Eclipse. We never use IntelliJ and remaining we never use it. Because second version is there, no advanced Java. In advanced Java also we use Eclipse only. Spring and web service we use whatever the ID you want it, we'll use it. The reason you are learning language. I made one statement to one student yesterday. Whenever you want to learn one cricket, you must learn the game first. Then you must think about the ground way. Don't think about the ground. Right? You are learning one language first. Concentrate on the language program. Why you are thinking about environments? We trainers are there not to train it. Difference, you got it now? So we concentrate on a student who don't know anything. So we start with Notepad. Then we go with Edit Plus. Then we move the course to the ID Eclipse, we move it. When the student is comfortable in creating Java project using Edit Plus, using your Eclipse ID, then we move forward slowly. Immediately we never give a complicated environments, we never give. Understood now? With that collapse of language will come, we take care. Got it right? So don't repeat that. So don't be confused also. We are going to train step by step, and I will come to you. Got it right? So these are the points available with you till now. Okay, right? So yesterday I used one environment variable, I used it. So the time reached to 8 already. See that? So let me repeat that course introduction and come and I'll do the FAQ question. Okay, right? So many people are waiting once. Right, see there. I'll go back and repeat once and come back. If I scroll back to the class 1, this is class 1. Generally on 10th, date looks very back, I think, 18 and 10. Okay, right? So this is day 1, demo 1 this is. Day 2, demo 2. Day 3, 14. Demo 3. 3 demos actually. Then from 15th onwards, we started the syllabus. 15, 16 and 17. Yesterday 17 or not now? 15, 16 and 17. Only 3 days. Today is 18. Observe this point or not now? Only 3 days syllabus. Within that 3 days, you gained much knowledge. Observe or not now? You know definition of program. You know stages of program. You know compilation command yesterday. You know execution command yesterday. You know the difference between JDK and JRE. You know the library introductions. You know what is the difference between Objective code and bytecode. You know the platform independent, platform dependent. You know how to install it and how to set the path. This all happened in 3 days. Observe this point or not? Within the 3 days knowledge only, that is. Only 3 sessions. Before that, 3 sessions are demo sessions. Introductions I done. Total 6 sessions I executed. 3 demo sessions, 3 syllabus. And these 6 sessions with today's session, I'll give a recording to you as a demo class. Got it right? I'll scroll back once. So many students are asking me, right? This course comes under full stack Java. I'm repeating 5 minutes. Don't get bored. This course comes under full stack Java and core Java. Many people are confused in this statement. Actually, this is announced as a full stack Java. Venkatesh sir, classes will be both. Whenever I started a batch, my batch will be full stack Java batch and core Java batch. The meaning is, student who want to learn only core Java, he can come. No, sir, I want to take total full stack, he can come. So my batch is for both core Java students and full stack students. Both students can come and sit in my batch. So you are always your counselors will say full stack Java and core Java batch, they'll say. So if it is a full stack Java, the headache will come with that course only. Full stack Java will have 5 modules. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5. In Module 1, we had programming module or Java module, we say. Programming module has been started by me. 7:30 core Java has been started. In the programming module, you had core Java, you had advanced Java, you had Spring, you had web service. Under Spring, Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring JDBC, Spring ORM, Spring Boot is there. Under web services, you had microservice also. Like this, all are available under programming module. Programming module started by 7:30 with core Java. That's the information. What about remaining modules, sir? Second module is database module. Third module is UI module. Fourth module is testing module. Fifth module is DevSecOps, development security, operational tools. Now, testing and DevSecOps will not be started now to you. Almost after 2 months, they will start it. All of you clear about this statement? After 2 months, they will start it. So within the 2 months, what happened now? Within the 2 months, what is happening? See there, database has been started. Database module has been started by 4 p.m. for you, right? Who are attending 4 p.m.? You had a database module. They started Oracle or not now? So among that SQL, PRSQL, something they'll start it. Nothing but Oracle. So morning 9:30 p.m. they started UI module. The course is what now? HTML, CSS, JavaScript combined. They started 3 modules parallelly. One by 7:30 core Java, 9:30 HTML, 4 o'clock Oracle. Sir, I'll come by 7:30. I am a working professional. For me, 9:30 not possible. That is the question we got it. If it is 9:30 not possible, don't attend it. So wait for the next batch for your convenient time. Morning 7 o'clock or evening 6 o'clock one batch will come. Wait till that batch comes. No issue. It is not mandatory to pick it. You can pick afterwards also. Understood this statement? If the flexible time is there, you pick it. Flexible time not there, leave it. Sir, I cannot attend 3 batches. Headache will come, sir. I'll attend 1 by 1 means you can attend. No issue. Management will show the options to complete it. Understood this statement? So many people are confused in that point. If you are comfortable to pick it, pick it. If not, leave it, pick only core Java. After that, 15 days or 10 days completed. If any batch comes with your comfortable time, you pick it. Understood this point? So at present, they announced 3 batches to you. So how many months means? I written 6 months generally. Of course, 5 months enough, 5.5 months enough. By added 1 month and showing to the student as a 6 months, I am showing to you 5 to 6 months. If you correctly plan it, within 4 months, the recruitment will be completed. I only will give the drive information to you after 1 month. Any freshers are there, you can apply it and recruit it. Okay, right. After completing full stack, your role is full stack Java developer. Your resume will be updated with, I am looking for full stack Java developer. Full stack Java developer means all-rounder. I know UI, I know database, I know testing, I know DevSecOps. I am a basically Java programmer. I know all the components. So I am a full stack Java developer. That's the point. So, sir, I don't want to take full stack Java developer because I am a 2nd year engineering student, 3rd year engineering student. For me, comfortable time is there. I don't want to come to Java domain. I want to go to Selenium. I want to go to Hadoop and Spark. I want to go to ADF. I want to go to Android. Other technologies are available, no? So then you take only core Java. Don't take full stack. Understood the statement now? Only core Java enough for you. You can travel with only core Java. That only statement between, if you want to take full stack, you can take it. If not, you can take only core Java. Somebody asked, I want to take core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. Remaining all I don't want it, means you can approach management and ask, I want only core, advanced, Oracle, means they'll give that 3 package to you. Understood this point now? Possibility is there for everything, but the batch is announced as full stack. Got it right? So one more advantage of full stack is nothing but full stack batch is aligned with NASSCOM certification. I said to you, for the newcomers, I'm repeating, your Naresh IT is aligned with one NASSCOM body, National Association of Software and Service Companies, one body organized by Government of India. Your Naresh IT Institute is a training partner aligned with NASSCOM under Government of India. If you register yourself in a full stack course, your names will be enrolled in the NASSCOM and the certificate will come from NASSCOM. Right? Once the course has been completed, without any examination, one certificate will come to you. You participated in full stack Java development course through Naresh IT. The Government of India logo will come. One certificate will come to you. You can show that certificate to all the IT companies. No, sir, I want to take course completion certificate, means Naresh IT will give a course completion certificate for all the technologies. If you completed C language, you completed C language from Naresh IT. Course completion, they'll give it. So core Java, advanced Java, they'll give individual course completion certificates also. They'll provide it. Any non-IT backgrounds are there, like civil or mechanical and so on. You must collect that certificates and keep it, because in the future, if you go for H1 visa, they'll ask that certificates, it will work it. So collect that certificates and keep it. Naresh IT will give it. Understood this point now? In the future, if you have H1 processing is there, they'll ask, you are a non-IT background, what is about your technology, means you can show that certificates, I updated myself. Right? So certificates will help you. They are available to you. That's the information. 100% placement program is there. 100% placement program means all will not get opportunity. Who pass the examination, they'll get the opportunity. After 70% of course completion, you are attending Oracle, no? Right? You are attending core Java, no? Right. After 70% of the syllabus year, after 70% of Oracle, after 15 days or after 1 month, they'll start advanced Java also. So when they started advanced Java, they're 70%. Total core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, if we completed more than 50%, management will conduct one test, technical test, they'll conduct it. If you pass it, they'll give 100% placement to you. 100% placement if you qualify the test with zero amount. They will not take a single pice from you when you completed that assessment test. Clear everyone? Right. After that, 2 months, they'll give training on soft skill, HR questions and so on, logical programming, and that kind of training, they'll give it and they'll place it. That is, approach is there for this course. The course is aligned with NASSCOM. You had 100% placement program and you are having certificate from NASSCOM, and for full stack, you had one project implementation is there. So they'll give one project to you. When you reach to web services and Spring Boot, your trainers will develop one project part of the course and they'll give the project to you. Who are having 3-4 years gap people, if you participate in that project, you'll get awareness of your project life cycle. They're providing one project to you. So these are the highlight points of your course of full stack. So after that, fee details your management will take care. Then I started my syllabus. In that syllabus, I took everybody should learn understand very easily. So core Java concentrate on programming components. In the programming components, still now, single component also not started. Observe this point or not now. Still now, variable not started, method not started, class not started. So alphabets still not started. Understood this point? Means why means practical not started, no? Just only installation of software completed. So components introduction will be started by the next week. So core Java concentrates on alphabet training. So object-oriented programming concept, exception handling concept, multi-threading concept, Java collection framework concept. Like this concept training is available and features training is available. On the day one, I am speaking about course introduction and what core Java contains. That is day one. On the day two, I said, using core Java knowledge, you can develop standalone applications. The applications which are developed, which are installed in one computer and performs actions in the same computer are known as standalone applications, I said. So I made a definition here. And according to developer, standalone means no HTML, no server, no database storage. I made a statement. So in the same way, I want to give a awareness on advanced Java. I drawn one layout diagram on advanced. I drawn one layout diagram on advanced. This is the layout diagram. I asked you to keep a target. I asked you to keep a target for you. So everybody should develop this kind of application by the first week of August. I set a target to you. So what advanced Java contains means JDBC, Servlet, and JSP. Part of advanced Java we had web application development. Web application development means application running in internet environment or web environment. We call it as web application. So JDBC will support to interact with database. Servlet will support to take the request from the user. JSP will support to give the response. After executing the class Friday and Saturday, day 1, day 2, we took a break for Sunday and Monday, that is 13th, 12th and 13th, we had a break. Then we started from Tuesday. So whenever the Tuesday I came back again, I want to introduce a framework also. And I want to introduce 3 levels are available to you. In that process, I took a question known as language means what? Technology means what? Framework means what? Language will provide components and concepts. Technology will provide knowledge which can be transformed into real-time world for construction. We call it as technology. Framework means the structures which are ready available for construction. We call it as framework. So with this, I give an awareness to the student. Core Java comes under language. Advanced Java comes under technology. And Spring and Web Service comes under your framework. So using core Java, you can develop standalone application. Using advanced Java, you can develop web application. Using framework, you can develop enterprise application. I made a statement. So what is enterprise application? The application which is executing in distributed environment and depending on the features like security, load balancing, and clustering, we call it as enterprise application. I made a statement. So student will get an awareness. I had 3 levels to travel. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Who are entering into this Java world? First quality is regularity. Second quality is day-to-day practice. Daily you must practice. Third one, interest must be there. Whenever you want to learn something, interest will play a role. Without interest, you cannot grasp it. Roughly not possible. Frankly, I'm speaking, nothing there. Career, no. I cannot misguide you. Career is different. Career means survival. Sorry, if I know subject, you can sleep relaxedly. So we people and Amirpet trainers, my schedule back to back will be there. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7:30, 7:30 to now 9. Back to back 4 hours I'll execute. Morning 9 to 11, 11 to 1 I'll execute 4 hours back to back. So I'll execute 12 hours per day. I'll execute it. Like your graduation trainer, if I also prepare at home, total night I must write the notes and come. Understood this point or not now? Your graduation trainers will prepare a notes and write a notes now. Right? I'll run 2 advanced Java batches and 4 core Javas I'll run. If I want to deliver one class, like your graduation trainer, I must prepare and come. But what we done now? We learned how to construct the classes in a live. We learned it. So if you give one concept, I'll construct the class. Sir, I want this topic. I'll construct the class. That's called topic delivering to a student. Why I'm speaking that point means learn the subject in that format. If you learn it, relaxation will be there. So learning is very crucial point. If I want to learn it, 3 levels are available. But the 3rd day, I conclude it. So thereafter, I should not drag the classes. I must go to the syllabus. So I started syllabus on Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, yesterday, Friday, 3 days I executed my syllabus part. By Friday, yesterday evening, you installed your software. That's the target I made it. I done it. Okay, right. So in that syllabus part now, sir, our target is writing, saving, compiling and executing Java program. Till not completed. Still you not written the program. Still you not saved the program. Still you not compiled the program. Still you not executed the program. That is happening on Monday. Monday is that only. How to write the program, where to write the program. How to save the program, where to save the program. How to compile the program, where to compile the program. How to execute the program, where to execute the program. Check answer is coming or not. If answer is coming means, sir, where it is executed? JVM. How it is executed? Open the JVM. That is JVM architecture with internals. To be opened. That is on Monday. So definitely 2nd week, the mode of class will be changed. Got it? Right? So we prepared everything and we kept it. The mode of class will be changed immediately from Monday. So I cannot write directly, no. I started definition of a program. Why we write like this? Yesterday I said no. Last point. Click OK for 3 times. Sir, that point also will write, sir. Actually, I written the statement or not now. Click OK. That point not needed. Anyway, you'll click it or not now. But our core Java trainer psychology is we feel that student don't know anything. I am giving training to an LKG student. We feel it. You know also will write it. That's the psychology of our psychology, core Java psychology. So minimum things also will write it. So why means we don't know, no? Student will be, some inferiorities will be there for the student. Some people cannot speak to us. Some people cannot speak. Some fear will be there. So if anybody got fear also, you can speak to me. Because I am your trainer. Career-oriented trainer. If you speak to me, I'll correct it. Understood this statement? Some inferiorities will be there. All will not be a bold-minded, no. Some inferiorities will be there. So such inferiority people, they'll work by themselves. When they are cannot asking anybody, at least the notes should be from ground level. By reading the notes, you have to work it. So minimum things also will write it. Because of this reason, our notebooks are, our Xerox centers will sell our notebooks. Because we write a minimum points also will write it. Because I written program definition, not needed. Everybody knows program definition. But even then, we start with program definition. Programming means what? Programmer means what? After writing a program, you have to save the program. And the program in a clarity and link is coming now. Compilation means what? You got the clarity or not now? Compilation means we have to check the program constructed according to the rules of language or not. We call it as compilation. After compilation, what is happening now? Compiled codes are coming now. In Java, bytecode is coming. In Java, bytecode is coming means student may understand, may not understand. We show that to C language comparison. Their objective code is there. Here bytecode is there. We show the comparison. So that if we compare somewhere, student will understand, we feel it. So I compared with your C language with objective code and bytecode. We run that compiled codes and check it whether execution is happening or not. I kept your first day very less information or not now. Right. Then I gone for the second day. In the second day, what I done now? In the second day, what is objective code? What is bytecode? That is on Thursday class. So objective code means what now? Operating system is involved or participated while objective code generation. So objective code is platform dependent. Understood this point now? Disadvantage is what now? The objective code generated from one platform cannot be executed on other platforms. Because of this reason, C and C++ languages are platform dependent languages. You people will not keep your career as C language. You will keep your career as Java or Python or .NET. Yes or no? But everybody will learn C language. Why are you learning C language? Your career is that no, sir, C language is minimum requirement to pass my examination. Any company will keep on examination or not now. For that you are learning the C language. C language is a logical programming language indirectly that will help you to crack any examination. Survival, Java. Java is a domain. That's a concept. In that process, objective code, bytecode, we are comparing with C language and coming down. Platform independent, platform dependent. What about bytecode now? The compiled code generated from Java programs is known as bytecode. While bytecode generation, operating system is not participated. Because of this reason, bytecode is platform independent code. Advantage, the bytecode generated from one platform can be executed on all the platforms where JVM is available. That's a statement. The Java language which is generating bytecode is platform independent language. Then I made a statement. Java language is also known as platform independent and architecture neutral language. I said architecture neutral means it will not depend upon your architectural models. That's the meaning. Immediately one of your students asked me a question in the online. Sir, it is an interpreter language. How can we call it as interpreter language? He kept a question. So in our subject flow that is not available, I not answered. But we are going to answer his question by opening JVM architecture. You can find interpreter in the execution engine. Then we write Java is interpreter language. If I say today, I must say definition. On that day, I'll show it why it is interpreter. So I not answered that question, which is out of box. What is the concurrent running? So in the future, we are going to show to you how it is interpreted by showing the interpreter in your execution engine. Then I made what is high level orally because I never find time again to come back to the basic definitions. Low level, translator, yesterday I repeated already translator. Always I'll repeat before class. It's my habit. Whenever I'm starting a class, before class, I'll repeat it. Yesterday, 6 o'clock, I'm not available actually. So yesterday I have executed up to 6 o'clock. I took a break to 6 to 7:30, came by 7:30 yesterday. So 6 o'clock students came. But one day gap come in, students will forget it generally. I repeated 3 classes for them. To connect it again, I repeated 3 classes. Tomorrow Sunday is coming. What happens Sunday? Again Sunday is coming. What happens? I seen this faculty somewhere. What is his name? He'll say. So gap comes, so student will forget it. So for that purpose, again you have to connect it and come now. Right? It's a duty. 3 days, holidays come in, student will not come on the 4th day. Because generally they will not come. So weekend psychology will be there and so on. So our duty, again, we have to connect it with the previous class. We have to drag it and connect it. That's our duties. So this one I'll be repeating every time. So translator. So we are into software anyway. And yesterday's class you understood. What you observed totally, sir, 6 days completed also, information is very less or not? Understood this point? For 1 week also, we kept very less information, we kept it, where student can understand very easily by reading a notes. 3 demo classes, 3 regular classes available in your notes. All of it clear, everyone? Right. So because, sir, I want to listen that class, sir, means we are sending recordings not today anyway. You can observe it. Sir, enough. Already listening once only headache means leave it. Right. So even then we send that demo classes to you. I given a word to you already. So these 5 sessions, last week 2 sessions, total 7 recordings. Next week also 2 recordings, Monday, Tuesday. Because I not written my program now. Program writing, saving, compiling. That also recording I'll give it. So student can see that recording if you're not. So up to then, the videos will be coming out. Once I started object-oriented, management will not release my video out. So once I said define object, student, that management will lock the class. So they will not release our demo videos out from object-oriented. They protect us generally. Up to there, they release it. You can observe my YouTube also. Only fundamental recordings will be there in the YouTube. My 42 videos are available in Core Java, but only fundamental will be there. So that fundamental is nothing but one Venkatesh sir is one faculty available in Naresh Shetty, they will promote it. If all you can learn with YouTube, you never come here, no? Yes, sir, no, na. One technique will be there, and we trainers were very technical trainers. So you feel that Venkatesh are given total. Nothing is there. Right? One cameraman will be there. Do you understand what he'll understand? So one cameraman, dark room. So this is the live class. Lot more is there. Lot more, and we'll dig it internally. You can see my notebooks already. Piece by piece, we break it. Every line will be break. How much you want, you can ask me. Once object-oriented started, how much you want, you can ask me. That much of levels we go inside and come out. Because object-oriented programming from Core Java, taken by Android people, taken by Selenium people, taken by SAP, ABAP people. So many tools are depending upon object-oriented of Core Java. Then one trainer giving object-oriented means how alert I must be there. So definitely, I must show the difference to the market. We are showing already. Got it, right? So a lot more level is available to you, right? Now I'll go with the question. I had 20 minutes time to you. Let me complete that. Okay, right? All of it clear, right? So online students, any questions are there for you? Already Sandeep sir is available in the online. You can speak management queries there. So Sandeep sir already added 6 recordings to you already. So online students, you can download that recordings. For you offline people, I'll give a number, put a request. So by evening, your Mr. Manoj will send it. For them, they are in online, they can copy paste. For you, flexibility not there. Right. Notes, somebody is asking me notes. I said to you, to give in notes to you, your registration should be completed. Then your details will be taken by your management, your phone number and so on. Then notes will come to you. The notes also will come with Google Classroom. Just now I added notes to 6 p.m. batch, no? Right. That 6 p.m. batch are getting the notes like this. Just now I added the notes to the 6 p.m. Here Google Classroom will be there. Google Classroom. Your management will create one Google Classroom. Managements will create. This is Google Classroom. Here my batches are there. This is 6 p.m. Core Java people, full stack people. They'll divide it. So how many want Core Java? They'll maintain record. How many full stack? They'll maintain. They'll add here. The people will be added there. The people will be added. So there the students will be there. All this, almost 191 students are there. here. Here they'll add for full stack, they'll add here. Separate people, they'll add it. In the full stack, almost 228 students are there in full stack for 6 p.m. batch. That is 132 batch. Right? Okay. Now, daily I'll be posting. Just now I posted the notes. Before you are entering, I'm standing here 5 minutes. Today's date is 18th only, no? Right. Today's class only that one. I executed. I edited the notes. I copied the diagram, whatever I drawn, whatever I typed, I posted the program, whatever I drawn, I posted. This is a class for one single session. Now, student, when goes down, just is walking steps down or not now. When you go home, the notes will be there. If he is interested, he'll download it and read it. For you also same process. When the class completed, immediately within 10 minutes, because last class, no, right? 9 o'clock class is ended, within 9:15, the notes will be in there in the Google Classroom. You can go home, open the mobile phone, open your mail ID, and enter into Google Classroom. Click it. My notes is available there for you. If you want, you can download. If you want, you can read it. Immediately, the notes is available to you. Whenever the student practices at night, if you want to put a query to me, generally, previously we allowed a chat in the Google Classroom, but some students are misusing that. That opportunity, students are misusing it. All will not be interested, no. Some people will be time passing, no. Because that management locked that chat. Because interested will be affected, no. So this area is interesting area, no. So they want to protect the student who are really interested. So they created one mail ID. So I'll give that mail ID to you. If any question is there, you can post that to the mail ID. We'll open that mail ID and see the question. If the question is answerable in the mail, we reply back. No, we are answering in the regular class means we highlight that question and answer in the class. That's the point. If not, offline students, you can carry the laptop and come. Any doubts are there, you can carry the laptop and come to me directly. You can open it and show to me. So online students, generally they'll communicate with the chats. They'll communicate with your mail IDs. This is a process. So all my batches, even Advanced Java batch also, what I'm running. This is Advanced Java batch, what I'm running. This is for Advanced Java, we given a chart option for advances. So we given a chart option for them. So even they'll get a notes. Whatever we type in advances, whatever I type it, so they'll get a notes. This is the process because somebody asking me notes now. So management that much of easily, they will not send our soft copies outside. Understood this point? Management that much of easily, they will not send our soft copies out. So they will send the soft copies through Google Classrooms to the registered students, frankly speaking to you. Understand? So they had one mode. Unnecessarily, they will not send us out because live codes are coming out now. Moreover, almost 560 pages I'll type. Live class, I will type 560 pages. Live code, I'll give it. So fine, if you take one spiral binding, this much of book will come. That much of soft copy, it comes out now. Your Xerox centers will take it and they'll promote it. So management will take care about that. So you will get a soft copy by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll get it. Okay, right. So these are the points. Make it define FAQ. Define environment variables. Define environment variables. Define environment variable. Right. Yesterday we are setting a path in environment variables. So observe it. Sir, I want to know what is this environment variables. Right. Why I am drawing this much of diagrams to you means by today night or by Monday morning, I'll edit all the notes and I'll kept in the Google Classroom. By Monday, I'll show it. One complete order will come. The total diagrams, that all I'll prepare it and I'll give to you because I'm keeping all the diagrams together. Right. See there, we had a machine here. This is machine. The machine. This is machine. Hardware machine. Machine. M stands for machine. In this machine, our software is installed. So C drive, program files, and JDK. Our JDK is available here. Our JDK software is available here. This is JDK software. Imagine like this, one JDK software available here. This machine will be under the control of OS. Always, operating system will be controlling the machine. This is operating system. Right. Now, this operating system will organize some variables. This operating system will organize some variables. That box what I drawn is environment variables. Environment variables. So it organizes some environment. OS is organizing some variables. We call it as environment variable. Environment variable means OS variable only, right? Okay. So in these variables, we are giving the information about our Java path. That's the meaning. Make it definition. The variables part of operating system. The variables part of operating system which are holding information about the resources installed in computer system are known as environment variables. The variables part of operating system which are holding information about the resources installed in computer system are known as environment variables. Here resources means softwares. What are the softwares installed? That information you can keep in the environment variables, the theory. So these environment variables, make it these environment variables. These environment variables are categorized into two types. These environment variables are categorized into two types: user variables and system variables. User variables and system variables. These environment variables are categorized into two types: user variables and system variables. Two types are there. Yesterday you observed that no, user variable is there, system variable is there, right? Like this. Suppose in your system now, right click on it, properties, yesterday, advanced system settings, environment variables. Here you can see user variable, system variable, you can see. Okay, right. Sir, what is the meaning of it? I want to know. Suppose your machine is there, just now I drawn. On this machine, OS is there. Always I'll draw like this. Now, in this OS, users will be there. Some users. Sir, one user is student user, sir. Roughly I'm writing. So one user is admin user, sir. Like this, users will be there or not now? Some admin user. One is student user, one is admin user. Got it right? Now, some variables will be related to users. Some variables will be related to users. So user related variables. Some variables will be user related. And some variables will be system related. Some variables will be system related. Some variables will be system related. That the outer box is system related. So here my intention is nothing but the variables, the information in user variable can be used by only individual user. Suppose I kept the information in student user, admin user cannot see. Roughly I'm speaking. If I keep the information in admin user, student user cannot see. So they are available to individual. That's the meaning. No, sir. I want to make the information available to all. That is system variable. System variable means if we give the information in system variable, all the users can use it. Because of this reason, yesterday I asked you to keep the path in the system variable. The reason I don't know. No, your individual systems are using users not there. I don't know. If we keep in the system variable, all the users can access. Make a statement. User variables. The variables related to user. The variables related to user are known as user variables. Are known as user variables. The information in user variables can be used by only individual user. Can be used by only individual user. The variables related to system are known as system variables. Are known as system variables. The information in system variables can be used by all the users. Can be used by all the users of computer system. All the users of computer system. The information in system variables can be used by all the users of computer system. All the users of computer system. Okay, right. See what we done now. Sir, yesterday We took the new from system variable and we given a path anyway. So, sir, yesterday, part of environment variable, we took system variables, we took it. Roughly I'm writing. We took system variable under system variables. We took name and value, nothing but name and value. Name we given path, no? Right. Name we given path and value and the value so the value we given this one. This is a value we given it or not now? It's a value. The meaning is we given the information to environment variables, we given it. All of you understood this point now, right? See there. Now I will open the command prompt. See there. This is my command prompt. I'll go to E drive. Now I am in the E drive or not now? My software is available in the C drive, no? Understood, right? If I type Java C, now my software from software from C drive responding to E drive. Observe or not now? Observe this point now. See, I typed the command in the E drive, Java C. But software from C drive responding to E drive. How, sir? Through environment variable. That only concept. So suppose I opened command prompt. Demo purpose I am writing. See there. I opened command prompt. I opened command prompt. In command prompt, I am in E drive. I am in E drive. I am in E drive. In E drive, I typed Java C. See there. I typed Java C. Whenever I typed Java C, this is the command or not now? So to execute this command, control will go to environment variable. Control will go to environment variable to find the information. Now user typed Java C, that command belongs to Java. So is there any information available with you? Then that environment variable says, yes, we had a information with us. So the software is installed in C drive, program files, Java, JDK. You go to C drive. That's the point. Now the control environment variable supported to identify the software available in the C drive or not now? Understood now? Because they'll ask a question. What is the advantage of setting Java path in environment variable? Advantage is independent of your software installation, you can run the program. Means you can compile and run the program from any drive. You can run from C drive, D drive, F drive. Your software is in C drive. But how it is running means because of setting a path. Who knows C language generally? Setting a path not there for C language. They'll go to the location and run it actually. But Java language will have setting a path. Advantage of setting a path in environment variable, we can compile and execute the Java program from any location of a computer system. Make a statement. What is the advantage? What is the advantage of having advantage of setting path in environment variables? What is the advantage of setting path in environment variables? Right. When we have Java path in environment environment variables, then we can compile and execute. When we have Java path in environment variables, then we can compile and execute Java program from any location of computer system, from any location of computer system. That's advantage. Means what? If Monday onwards, you are going to create file in any location, you can run from any location because the path is available in the environment variable. That's advantage. Sir, why you took the variable name as path? It's a defined one. If we take path only, the commands will work. If we don't write path, the commands will not search it. The commands by default look for the variable path. So you must give always a path. It's a meaning. So this is the short information there and diagram available here. The diagram will be pasted there for your notes. All of it clear up to here, right? So read all the notes. That theoretical concept ended. The week 1, we keep all introductions 3 days. Today is a repetition with the 4th day. Okay, right? So 4 days completed in the syllabus, but with less information. Hope don't miss the class on Monday, Tuesday. Monday, we are writing the first program. So Monday to Saturday program is, I'll say, the plan is, we'll write the program, means we introduce a class, definition about the class, using that class, how to write the program, and after writing the program, how to run it, how to compile it, the steps will be given to the student. By using that Monday evening, you're going to practice the practical. Got it right? Then the program will be loaded onto JVM, and how it is executed in the JVM, you're going to write the notes, total internals of JVM. It takes Monday and Tuesday, 50% of the class it takes. After getting the awareness how the program is running on JVM, then we bring data types. We bring it, right? Data types once came, variables and methods will come. By Wednesday, you'll get variables and methods. When the variables methods are coming, object will come inside. All right. So object-oriented programming will be started from Wednesday. Is a concept. There onwards, slowly we increase it. Next Saturday, you'll have an assignment which is to be done by your own as a target. So it is possible, means possible only. By seeing the classes, by seeing the programs, you must be in position to write your own program by next Saturday. Next Saturday, we had a review class again. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we increase the level and come. And Saturday, small break, we'll give it, right? Any questions, queries, we repeat that all sessions and we go forward. Got it right? So next week, we are going to play a role. And offline students, take Mr. Admin number once. Admin, Mr. Manoj. Mr. Manoj. 9010 980 818 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So request for demo videos. Request for demo videos. Put one message in the WhatsApp. Got it right? So today evening or tomorrow, so finding is flexible time, you will get a response. Got it right? Don't call it, right? Okay, side. Okay. So who want to see that videos, demo videos, put your request tomorrow Sunday. see that recordings and come on Monday. Got it right? Any doubts are there, we'll clarify it. All of you understood the statement? Right, okay. So Monday onwards, the practical will be started. Right. So thank you very much for this week. We are meeting on Monday. Okay, right. Thank you very much.